Is AI our best invention or our biggest mistake? Let's delve into that. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it, is not just a concept of sci-fi movies anymore. It is here now, evolving with every passing second. From your smartphone's virtual assistant to self-driving cars, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. AI's prowess does not end here. It's revolutionizing sectors, one after the other. In healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases with remarkable accuracy. In finance, it's predicting market trends, and in logistics, it's optimizing routes for efficient deliveries. AI is all about improving efficiency, accuracy, and convenience. But remember, every coin has two sides. And while AI's benefits are undeniable, it's not devoid of drawbacks. As we traverse this journey through the world of AI, we're going to uncover some unsettling truths. However, like every other invention, AI too has a dark side. Imagine seeing a video of a world leader declaring war, only to find out it was all a hoax. This isn't a plot from a dystopian novel, but a reality we're inching closer to with the advent of deepfakes. Deepfakes, a portmanteau of deep learning and fake, are hyper-realistic videos created using artificial intelligence. This technology maps the facial expressions and voice of one individual onto another, creating a video that looks and sounds almost indistinguishable from the real thing. Consider the case of the Barack Obama deepfake created by Jordan Peele. In the video, Obama appears to be delivering a public service announcement, but the voice behind those familiar features isn't his. It's Peele's. The video was a chilling demonstration of how convincingly deepfakes can mimic reality, and how easily they could be used to deceive. The potential misuse of deepfakes is a growing concern. Imagine a deepfake video of a politician making inflammatory remarks, or a business leader admitting to illegal practices. Such videos could cause political unrest, manipulate stock markets, or even incite violence. Deepfakes also pose a significant threat to privacy, as anyone's likeness could be used without consent, leading to potential personal and professional damage. Unfortunately, detecting deepfakes is no easy task. As AI technology evolves, so does the sophistication of deepfakes. Traditional methods of detection, such as looking for inconsistencies in lighting or unnatural blinking patterns, are becoming less effective. Researchers are now developing AI algorithms to combat this issue, but it's a race against time. In the digital age, where seeing is no longer believing, deepfakes are distorting our perception of reality. They are forcing us to question the authenticity of what we see and hear. This is a stark reminder of the potential dangers of AI when misused or fallen into the wrong hands. Deepfakes are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI misuse. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll explore more ways in which AI could pose potential threats to our society and how we can mitigate these risks. What if the killer isn't human, but a machine programmed to kill? A spine-chilling thought, isn't it? Now, let's talk about autonomous weapons, a reality that's less science fiction and more of a contemporary concern. Autonomous weapons, or as they're often referred to, killer robots, are machines powered by artificial intelligence. They're designed to engage and eliminate targets without the need for human intervention. Imagine a gun that decides when to shoot, or a drone that selects its targets. Sounds like a plot from a dystopian movie, right? But these machines already exist. Let's take the South Korean SGRA 1-century gun as an example. This autonomous weapon has been on duty since the mid-2000s. Stationed in the demilitarized zone between North and South Korea, it's capable of detecting intruders, issuing warnings, and, if necessary, opening fire. All without a human pulling the trigger. The existence of such weapons raises a multitude of ethical and safety issues. For instance, can a machine understand the nuances of a war zone where civilians and combatants often intermingle? Can it distinguish between a soldier and a civilian? What about children who unintentionally wander into the line of fire? Moreover, there's the question of accountability. When things go wrong, who is to be held responsible? The manufacturers, the programmers, or the military officials who deployed the weapon? The lines of responsibility become blurred when there's no human directly involved in the decision to fire. The potential for misuse is another major concern. In the wrong hands, autonomous weapons can become tools of oppression, terror, and even genocide. And in a world where technology is advancing at a breakneck speed, the possibility of such weapons falling into the wrong hands is not just a hypothetical scenario. Autonomous weapons are a stark reminder of the potential dangers of artificial intelligence. They illustrate the need for rigorous regulations and stringent oversight. Not all dangers of AI are as visible as autonomous weapons. Some are more subtle yet equally harmful. Can a machine be racist or sexist? Apparently, yes. In our quest to create intelligent systems, we've stumbled upon an unexpected and rather unsettling issue: AI bias. This is when artificial intelligence systems unconsciously adopt the prejudices of their creators or the data they are trained on. It's a stark reminder that even in the realm of technology, human flaws can find a way to creep in. Let's consider a case study that illustrates this point chillingly well. A few years ago, Amazon developed an AI recruiting tool. With this tool, the idea was to streamline the hiring process by letting the AI sift through resumes, identifying the best candidates. Sounds efficient, right? However, the tool started showing bias against women. Why? Well, the AI was trained on resumes submitted to Amazon over a 10-year period, most of which came from men, given the tech industry's gender imbalance. The AI, learning from this data, concluded that male candidates were preferable. This is a classic example of AI bias. The AI wasn't explicitly programmed to favor men. Instead, it learned from the data it was fed, and that data reflected a broader societal bias. It's like a mirror held up to our own prejudices, reflecting them back at us through the decisions it makes. And this isn't just about hiring practices. AI bias can creep into any area where AI is used, from healthcare and criminal justice to credit scoring and advertising. It can reinforce existing inequalities, making them harder to challenge and change. To combat this, we must be vigilant in how we train our AI. We need to ensure the data we use is representative and unbiased. We need to regularly check and recalibrate our AI systems to prevent them from perpetuating harmful biases. But remember, AI is a tool. It's a reflection of the data it learns from, and by extension, a reflection of us. If we want fair AI, we must first strive for a fairer society. AI can be as biased as the data it learns from, leading to unfair outcomes. Imagine being watched every moment of your life. Scary, isn't it? Welcome to the reality of AI surveillance, a realm where artificial intelligence is leveraged to chronicle your every move. This is not science fiction, but a tangible reality in many parts of the world today. Let's talk about one of the most comprehensive examples of this: China's social credit system. Here, the government uses AI to monitor the activities of its citizens, keeping tabs on everything from jaywalking to online shopping habits. They then assign each individual a social credit score, which can affect everything from job prospects to travel permissions. It's a system that sounds like it's been ripped straight from the pages of a dystopian novel. Now, you might think, well, that's China, it won't happen here. But the truth is, AI surveillance is not exclusive to any one region. It's a global phenomenon, silently creeping into societies everywhere. From facial recognition in public spaces to data mining on social media platforms, the all-seeing eye of AI is becoming more pervasive. But why should we be worried? Well, the answer lies in the loss of privacy. The moment you step outside or even go online, you're being watched, analyzed, cataloged. It's like living in a fishbowl, where your every action is observed and judged. It's a violation of personal space on an unprecedented scale. Moreover, the misuse of AI surveillance can lead to serious consequences. Imagine being denied a job because an AI misinterpreted your online activity, or being flagged as a potential criminal because you happen to walk past a crime scene. The potential for error and misuse is terrifying. These examples are not meant to scare you, but rather to make you aware. Understanding the potential dangers of AI surveillance is the first step towards safeguarding our freedoms and rights. These are just a few examples of how AI can be misused. The potential dangers are numerous and ever evolving. Remember, knowledge is power, And in the world of AI, it's our strongest defense. So, is AI a boon or a bane? It's a question we've grappled with throughout this exploration. We've seen the astonishing benefits of AI, from its ability to create hyper-realistic deepfakes to its potential in autonomous weaponry. But we've also confronted its darker side, the ability to distort reality, the risk of becoming killer machines, the inherent biases it can perpetuate, and its capacity for pervasive surveillance. It's clear that AI is a powerful tool, one that can be used to either advance or hinder humanity. The key lies in ethical AI development and use. We must strive to create systems that are transparent, accountable, and free from bias. Furthermore, robust regulations are needed to prevent misuse and ensure that AI serves the greater good. In the end, the impact of AI on our lives will depend on how we choose to use it. Let's make sure we make the right choices.